Sunday night. Let's get the girls ready for bed. Hey guys. So I posted the video last night on TikTok, and as I was uploading it shut it down, so I didn't get to quite get it up online until today. But like I said last night, if I don't see you here, I'll see you on YouTube. Looks like we're going to be here. Hi guys. Just got done all cleaning this out, draining it, cleaning the rocks. So that's why it's still a little cloudy. 25 degrees, 2 nights in a row. Tonight will be the 3rd night. And not above 40 for 2 days in a row, and tomorrow will be the 3rd day. Hi guys! But Griffin has been in the house quite a bit, most of the day, and some of the night. And the girls are doing okay. What are you guys doing over there kissing like that? Hi, beautifuls. Skybridge Coop has not dropped internally below 48 this entire time, even with that door open. It's been amazing. Let's go scoop the poop and get some eggs. On a better note, let's say hi to my friend. What's up, buddy? Oh, somebody was over on the heated pad. He's got a house with a heated pad on it, and he sleeps on it when it's cold. Okay, scoop the poop, get some eggs. This cold has got them dropped down egg-wise. As I say that, I'm looking in and seeing a whole bunch of them. The last 2 nights have been 6 eggs out of here versus the 10, and should be 20. All right, let me scoop the poop. So I believe this is our last night at 25, and then we will go back up into the mid-30s for about a week. It's still going to be cold, but not burnt cold like it's been. That's 2. That's 4. That's 6. That's 7. That's 8. And a broken one. I call that 9. 10, 11, 12. Holy crap, guys, doubled up. 12 eggs. Technically 11, but I count that as a success story. What's up, beautiful ladies? These chickens are so resilient. They don't care, man. They don't care if it's cold. They were out there playing in it this morning and running around. Okay, okay. I'll get some video off the cameras, but we've had, like, I think it's a 6 or an 8. It's a beautiful buck. Coming up and walking around out here. I've got some hay out here, some alfalfa. Bales thrown down for him so he can eat. But he's been out in that back little pasture area for a couple days now. Big boy too. Well, we just got a winter warn advisory from midnight to 8 in the morning of winds. There you go. Okay, okay. Winds and wind chills down into the 20s. So I'm gonna have to figure. He's got 2 houses to sleep in with warm beds that are like heated mats, but God, I hate having him in the house where he just wakes me up. But might have to deal with that tonight, huh, ladies? So Phil stopped getting his treats delivered into his house. He's too violent. I'm not gonna. He attacks me every time I reach in there. Until I find a safe way to deliver it or get him gone, like adopted or whatever, he's not getting treats. Hi guys, what you doing? Hi, beautiful ladies. Look at my thicken right there. Look at my thicken, boy. You're getting big, girl. Big girl. Here you go, mama. Is this what you want? Is that what you want? There's my happy girls. Yeah, I can feel the temperature dropping, but they're not puffing up, so I'm not really too concerned. Flip Flop is the 2 that the small ones that I'm worried about. And Fruit Loop. They're the smallest ones that do not have that much meat on their bones. That's Fruit Loop right there. You know, a little bit. You know, a little bit. all gone. It's all gone. You got some over there still. All right, let's get some eggs. Myrtle the turtle. She's still doing good. Oh, we got a broken one. Yep, let me clean that up real quick. I cleaned it up that very night. Not like last time where it took me 4 days. My bad. Well, he saw it. What did you do? You didn't do anything about it? Freaking rats running around in here. I don't know where he's getting in at, but I guess I'm going to have to work on that. Oh, here we go with our nightly stunt. Hopefully it's not too icy up there for you, bud. You going to go up there? You going to go up there? You going to say hi? You going to say hi? Hi. It's like I could feel him coming. Get warm. Come on. Move your butt. We do this every time. So the future of TikTok. I don't know. I don't know what's going to happen in the future. What I do know, I'm not going to even stress about it. What I do know is that I post my nightly updates here. I post them on YouTube also now. And then my cooking videos and my other shenanigans are on Instagram and also on YouTube. I did get a message on Instagram that I can post up to 3-minute videos now. So that's a bonus also. But I'm not going to stress about it. This is the platform that I have the most followers and the most friends. Hell, a lot of friends here. A lot of good friends. So, I don't know. It's a day by day. If you guys follow me on YouTube, follow me on Instagram, Red Note. It's all the same thing. David Gantz too. So, I post on everything. Y'all stay safe. Have an amazing night.